Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? So the day very danger move is coming soon now. So therefore, I make this very important and very urgent update for all of you. So kindly must watch this video to understand better. Now we predicate this coin, we do technical analysis in the basis of prediction, my friend. We tell you to upcoming time there is a more chances they will moving upward or not, my brother. So first of all, as you can see, my friend, the last 7 days change occur positive, but in last 24 hours this coin is fails down. When they fails down, so absolutely, my friend, I understand to my friend upcoming time the future is going to be very bright, but absolutely the very danger move is coming soon. So kindly holder must watch to understand better. Now please like this video and subscribe this channel. Come to the point. Last 24 hours change occur will be negative now, my friend, and you can see here this time, especially from this point, just in only the 1 point, you can see here they falls down, but again they will starting moving upward now. So exactly, this is very good news, my friend, for all of you. I hope they will be moving in this direction. So as you can see, my brother, absolutely the move is moving upward now. So I hope, my friend, they will move upward now. But definitely, my friend, after these moves, I hope my friends to they will completely go in the moon, and they will make you millionaire. But definitely, my friend, that's all possible, my friend, if you hold it now. So hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be my friend increase now. So thanks for watching, Stellar XLM holder. Hope you like this video. Please, if you like this video, then subscribe this channel, and yes, also press the bell icon for more with this type informative videos.